The importance of an existing condition survey. Before any construction project begins, one crucial step is essential: an existing condition survey. These surveys provide detailed data. Architects and engineers rely on this data to plan confidently. With precise information, teams can create realistic designs. This reduces costly errors and ensures seamless execution. Surveys identify hidden challenges and limitations. This helps in making informed decisions before starting a project. Knowing what you're working with reduces surprises. It helps identify risks early, allowing time to plan and protect your investment. In many areas, surveys are a legal requirement. They ensure compliance with local codes and zoning laws. An existing condition survey gives a clear picture of the property's state. This makes cost estimates more accurate and budgeting more effective. An existing condition survey is more than a report. It's the blueprint for smart, successful, and stress-free construction. Plan smart, build right. Start with an existing condition survey.